If you've ever struggled to line things up perfectly in Canva, this quick guide is going to change the game. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to turn on grid lines in Canva so you can create clean, symmetrical designs without guessing or eyeballing every element. Grid lines are super helpful for aligning text, images, and shapes with precision, whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or any other visual design. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the design you're working on in Canva. Once your project is open, look toward the top left of your screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. Now, hover your cursor over Settings. Don't click yet, just hover. When you do that, a secondary menu will slide out with more customization tools for your workspace. From that menu, select Add Guides. This is the feature that allows you to apply grid lines to your canvas. Once you click it, you'll see several layout options like 12 columns, 3 columns, or a 3x3 grid. Each one is designed for different types of projects and alignment needs. For example, a 12-column grid gives you a lot of flexibility for complex or detailed layouts, while a 3x3 grid works well for simpler or centered designs. Choose the layout that matches your project and click on it. The guides will instantly appear on your canvas, giving you a structured layout to work with. From here, you can align your elements quickly and accurately without guessing. The best part? These grid lines are only visible while you're designing. They won't show up when you download, export, or publish your final design, so you get all the benefits of structure without affecting the finished look. Use the guides to position everything neatly, experiment with spacing, and create a balanced layout with confidence. And that's all it takes to turn on grid lines in Canva. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in how professional your designs look. If this helped you out, feel free to check out my other quick Canva tips and keep leveling up your design skills. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.